ProTrade Dripline is about durability and value. Its pressure compensating emitters ensure you get consistent watering from the first plant to the last. ProTrade Dripline is engineered for slopes, long runs, and weird garden shapes. And yes, color matters. The drowned striped 0.9 gallons per hour drip line is perfect for sandy, fast-draining soils. The black striped 0.6 gallons per hour line is built for tighter, less permeable soils. Think of it like choosing the right coffee strength. Plus, it comes in 100, 250, and 500-foot rolls. So whether you're irrigating a flower bed or what feels like half the country, you're covered. Installation stays clean with 17mm ProTrade fittings that snap in tight and don't leak. And once your layout is set, lock it down with ProTrade staples so the line stays exactly where you put it. To get your ProTrade drip line today, come into your local SiteOne or check out SiteOne.com.